just a quick new video. I bought a new truck that barely fits in my garage. It's up against the garage door. I can't leave anything well enough alone since I bought the thing. I still have temporary tags on it, and I've already taken the badges off the side and gotten it tinted, and I'm working towards getting rid of the all the chrome on it right now. Working on it anyways. Got some people I'm trying to trade with. Anyways, it's super quiet and it's driving me crazy. So I picked up this little exhaust cutout from Speedway. I actually had it on my last truck, and it was the best 40 bucks I've ever spent. I actually checked with the manufacturer, the dealership, and this will not void warranty at all as long as it's after the catalytic converters and not mess with the O2 sensors. So for 40 bucks, I have the option of having my truck loud or quiet, which is kind of sweet. It's great because this one comes with all the parts that I need. It just clamps right on. I don't even have to bust out the welder or anything. It comes with the caps, comes with the gaskets, and the only tools that I need are small impact and a saw. And I'll have this done hopefully in less than 30 minutes. Of course, now that I've said that, I need to at least double my time, so it's probably going to take an hour. Anyway.